Hi there, my name is Mark and welcome to the Man Cave. Well, it's been about 2 to 3 months since I last drove my baby girl. And you know what? It finally stopped raining, so let's fire this thing up and get on the road. Still sounds horrible, and she smells like there's a lot of things wrong with this car, and very annoying after 5 years of restoration, but hey, we'll solve it in the end. But man, the cold start is absolutely drama. Yeah, and somehow, I don't know how, but I drove it last time. We got a full tank of petrol and it's all gone. There's nothing in it. How? That probably means she runs so rich that even a short drive will completely empty the tank. But I find that quite hard to believe. I used to be able to drive quite some distance with this car, and now we only have driven her about less than 50 kilometers and the gas tank is empty. That's not good. Hope it's not leaking or something. But I haven't found evidence on the floor. There's coolant, there's oil, but no gasoline, lucky. But and now when she's starting to warm up a little bit, it will be better, but this will take some time. Man, that's annoying. Making me sometimes hard to love her. Maybe that's the reason why 2 to 3 months I didn't drive her. I just want a car that fires up, warm it up, drive it. Yeah. Oh, and another thing I am thinking that we need to change on this car, the throttle response. I tried it because there's a little cable from your gas pedal to the thingy in the engine. And the cable is a little bit loose, so it takes some time before, when I push the pedal, before the car reacts. It's quite annoying, and I didn't have that before, so I figured I would just adjust the cable, but I can't reach it. Very annoying. That's another thing on the list. By the way, we're gonna make the list video, but I haven't got any time to do so. For now, let's get some meat in the engine. I'm gonna drink a cup of coffee, maybe in the meantime she's warmed up. And we'll go to the gas station, take a little tunnel, and we'll see what happens today. Well, we're in the Ferrari. She finally sounds okay, right? Just like yeah, you get it, you know what I mean. But it's a lot better than the first startup, come on. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes to get to the right temperature. Funnily enough, there is a little bit of fuel now in the tank, so it probably goes up when the car is a little bit warmer. Still strange, never done that before usually, but who cares. The oil temperature is good. This one is always cold, and no matter what, for as long as I had the car, I could never get this one higher than a little above the 140 or between the 140 to 210 on very hot days, but that was it. And just like this one, I don't know what the difference between these two are, but I don't care. This one, it was like, it's always around 85, and the water temperature never gets really high, so the car basically doesn't overheat or something, and that's a good thing, but because she's leaking coolant. But now let's get some gasoline in the car, find a little tunnel, make a little photo, and park her right up because I have to get the kids. Okay guys, time to do a proper tunnel run. Yes, I'm gonna lay you down right there and pick you up when needed. Here we are. I had to wait until the cups were gone, and then I forgot that you were laying on the floor, so we had the soundtrack but without views. We're gonna do it properly again. I guess, I promise. Just 1 second, please. Yeah, I'm now not afraid anymore to hold you in the end, because I really don't want to lose my driver's license. Fun fact, my feet are too long. We're slowly cruising towards the tunnel. Of course, we're gonna slow down a little bit, like a proper thing to do, right? Maybe put them in second gear. This is fucking insane! It sounds like an F1 car! My ears! Oh, it hurts! Oh, man! Yeah, baby! Oh, my God! That was fucking insane! Sorry for my words, but oh my God, I'm gonna have to put you down, cops. As soon as I can, because I have to focus on the traffic first and see if the copper is gone. Yeah, they are. Oh man, this machine is awesome. Really, really awesome. We're gonna do this one again. And you know what? Like this. Then you're gonna see what I see. And we're not going fast, right? We don't have to break the speed limits to do this. Maybe slow down a little bit. That is what I call a proper tunnel run, and I'm so glad this tunnel is about 5 minutes from my home. And my ears, I can't hear anything anymore. But that's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. But this tunnel is 5 minutes from my home, and the sad thing is they're gonna close it for about 9 months. And after that it will probably have a traffic control system, or how do you call that? But we're not breaking the speed limit, of course. And we're not holding a phone in our hand, of course. No, we're not. I'm gonna put you down right now. Home sweet home, that was fun. I love the tunnels and my ears are absolutely destroyed. You probably cannot get, you don't get any of that on the camera, I know, but yeah, you have to see this car, hear this car in real life. It sounds like a truck. Oh no, what did I do? Ah! Yeah, that's better. No, that's not better. No. Okay. Our driveway is like, so we have to get like this bump to get her up. Or something else is wrong, but we are home. Yeah. She just tricked me, I guess. Or maybe it was my foot. It was not in the right position. Yeah, she doesn't feel really happy. By the way, the gauges are all foggy. But like I said, the oil temperature is still low and I've beaten the hell out of it. We got to 7,000 RPM regularly. The temperature of the oil here is a little bit high, but it's the highest it's ever been. And the water temperature is about between 140 and 195 Fahrenheit. It's not degrees, that's an American car. That's also the temperature it usually has. Yeah. With that bombshell, short video, I know, yeah, but I wanted to drive and you want me to drive, right? So thank you for watching, see you again next time, and good.